Sure. Abu Dhabi pala. Akala ko dito sa Batangas ang reception. Akala ko pa naman mag-Sharon. Best congrats sa inyo ni Gian. Mabuhay kayo at magsama kayo hanggat gusto nyo.
Arlen and Kuya Gian, congratulations. See you soon.
Hi, Ate Arlene and Gian. Congratulations and best wishes for your wedding. I'm happy that you're finally settling down. And I pray that you will always be guided by our Lord Jesus so that you will have a really beautiful marriage and that you will be blessed with kids. More kids, many kids na magiging bunga ng inyong pagmamahalan. I wish I can be there, but unfortunately there are circumstances na hindi ko pwedeng iwanan at Diyos ko napakalayo nyo. But my love for you is with you kahit magkalayo tayo. I hope to see you soon, guys. Enjoy your wedding and God bless you. Love you both. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Arlen. Best wishes sa iyong wedding. Total matagal na rin naman kayo ni Gian. Kilala niyo na yung isang isa. Yun lang. Best wishes and good luck sa new journey ninyong dalawa.
Congrats, Ate Arlen and Gian. Finally, after 50 years. Ito nga pala ang aking Diyosawa. Si
Hello po,
Joseph.
congratulations!
Congratulations po! Humayo kayo at magpakarami. Sana maging masaya at blessed ang marriage niyo palagi. At sana makapagkita tayo soon. Bahala na kung saan at paano yon. Pero, ayun. Sobrang saya ko para sa inyo, Ate Arlen and Gian. Yun lang. Congrats ulit and best wishes. Bye! Bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi Ate Arlen. Pasensya ka na, hindi ko napaghandaan tong video ito. Yon, ito na yung iniintay mo, matagal na. So, nauna pa nga kami sa iyo, pero ikaw, nandito ka na sa pagkakataong ito. Ayun, wag mo nang pakawalan si Kuya Gian. Yon. Good luck, and sana, yon, sabay-sabay na tayo magka-baby. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Arlen, congrats sa kasal nyo ni Gian. Wish you all the best sa next chapter ng life nyo. Ingat!
Hi at Arlen, Gian. Congratulations on your wedding.
Congratulations Ate Arlen sa iyong kasal. Kung wish ko ay lalo kang maging masaya. Napakasarap at minsan mahirap ang buhay may asawa. Naunahan na kita, tingnan mo. Yan, may baby na ako. Dalangin ko magka-baby ka din the soonest. Thank you sa friendship. God bless you and your husband. God bless you.
Congratulations, Ate Arlen and Gian! Hi!
Congratulations and best wishes. We are praying for the success of your marriage and we are very happy for both of you.
Hello, Ate Arlen! Congratulations on your wedding! We are all happy for you here in Castorama.
Congratulations, Arlen! Best wishes!
Arlen, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. At last, natuloy din. May asawa ka na ngayon. Congratulations! We are happy for you, dalawa. Thank you.
Arlen, congrats! At long last! Sabi nga ay sa simbahan din ang tuloy. So congrats sa Arlen and Gian and best wishes. God bless.
Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Punta kami dyan. Congrats sa Ate Arlen, Gian. Best wishes.
Congratulations and best wishes, Ate Arlen and Gian.
Congratulations, Ate Arlen and Kuya Gian. A blessed marriage ahead of you. And congrats.
Congrats, Ate Arlen and Gian. Best wishes. Yung finally.